Good morning students. Dear students, yesterday we completed our lesson number 5. Okay. Today we are learning a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, demonstrative and relative pronouns. This demonstrative and relative pronoun is also a part of a pronoun. Okay. So let's go through the demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronouns? Words such as these, that, these and those are used as demonstrative pronouns. See, the words such as these, that, these and those are used as demonstrative pronouns. When they are used as a demonstrative pronoun, these demonstrative pronouns are used when they stand for nouns. When they stand for nouns, they are used as demonstrative pronouns. These, that, these and those. These, that, these and those can act as both. Dear students, you will learn in your further chapter adjectives. Demonstrative pronouns are also there and demonstrative adjectives are also there. Okay, even interrogative adjectives are there and interrogative pronouns are there that I have taught you. Okay, so these demonstrative adjective, these words, these, that, these and those can act as both. Okay, demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Okay, it can act as both. When it acts as both, when demonstrative pronouns replace a noun, it is a demonstrative pronoun sentence. So here we have example of demonstrative pronoun. Okay, when it is demonstrative pronoun, when it is replace a noun, this is my book. Okay, this here, this is in place of a noun. Okay, it has replaced a noun. So this sentence is of demonstrative pronoun, and demonstrative adjectives qualify a noun and answer the question which. This book is mine. Which book is? Which book? So this book is mine. Here it qualifies a noun. Which noun it qualifies? It qualifies a noun, book. Okay. So did you understand? Words these, that, these and those, they can act as a both. As a demonstrative pronoun also and demonstrative adjectives. But there is a difference. When they act as a demonstrative pronoun, they act as a demonstrative pronoun when they replace a noun. And when they qualify a noun and ask a question which, it is a demonstrative adjective. And here in this sentence, it qualifies which noun? It qualifies a noun, book. Okay? Here another point is a distinguishing between demonstrative pronoun from demonstrative adjectives. Distinguishing demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjective is always followed by a noun. As I told you here, demonstrative adjectives are always followed by a noun. Here in a sentence, I wanted to watch this movie. Which movie he wanted to watch? This movie. Okay. So here it qualifies a noun. Which noun it qualifies? A movie. Okay. It qualifies a noun, movie. So here it is, when it is followed by a noun, it is a demonstrative adjective sentence. So I wanted to watch this movie. So this is an adjective and noun. Movie is a noun and it qualifies a noun. Which noun? A movie it is qualifies. So demonstrative adjective is always followed by a noun. So it is always followed by a noun. The demonstrative pronouns replaces a noun phrase. Okay? A demonstrative pronouns replaces a noun phrase. Okay? So I went to see the movie, but watching the movie. Which is the phrase here? This is the phrase in the sentence. Dear students, have attention. This is a phrase in this sentence, watching the movie. Okay? Was not possible. So, when it stands, see, demonstrative pronoun replace a noun phrase also. It replaces a noun and also a noun phrase. So, here it has a replaces a noun phrase. So, here we don't need this. So, we remove it. And instead of this, we use demonstrative pronoun that, and we complete this sentence. So, difference between demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjectives is always followed by a noun, that is in the sentence, and demonstrative pronouns replace a noun phrase too. Okay. So, dear students, these are the points that you have to complete in your notebook. Also, these are the points that you have to complete in your notebook also. After the distinguishing demonstrative pronouns from demonstrative adjectives, let's go through the exercise. Let's practice. Dear students, here we have to identify the demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns in the following story. Okay, you have to separate list of phrase indicating demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Okay, see here the first one is done. This story was told by my grandmother when I was in class 6. Why it is demonstrative adjective? Because it describes a noun. Which noun it describes? Story. Okay, so this is a demonstrative adjective. This is a story of a brave girl. Okay, this is a story of a brave girl. Now, already I have done the exercise. Okay, so this is a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, because it stands for a noun. The girl lived in a small village with her family. In that village, which village it describes? That village. So that is a demonstrative adjective. There was no electricity in those days. What was not there? Electricity was not there. So it describes the noun electricity. So it is those is a demonstrative adjective. One evening she was playing with her brother in the courtyard and he suddenly shouted, "Sister, look at those shadows." Which shadows? Those shadows. So we learned the demonstrative adjective is always followed by a noun and it describes which. So it is those. Which shadow? Those shadows. So those is a demonstrative adjective. Shadows. Those are ghosts. Now those, which stands for a noun, shadow, those. So it is demonstrative pronoun. The little girl looked up and saw her brother pointing towards their garden. So dear students, we have completed the first paragraph. Let's go to the second one. Those are only trees. Okay, those stands for a noun. So those is a demonstrative pronoun. She said with a smile. She was also scared, but she didn't say that to her brother. After her brother went to bed at night, she came out of her house silently. She walked towards the garden. This was night of full moon and there was moonlight everywhere. This stands for nouns. It is demonstrative pronoun. Slowly she entered the garden and went near the place where her brother saw those shadows. Okay, it's described. So it is demonstrative adjective. As soon as she reached there, she burst into loud laughter. So that was my brother's ghost. So that stands for noun. So it is demonstrative pronoun. She thought, do you know what she saw? It was the shadow of a tall banana plant with frayed leaves. Okay, frayed leaves means the leaves which are dried. This plant is a noun and it describes. So this is a demonstrative adjective, was moving to and fro in the breeze. In the pale evening light, this plant shadow had appeared to be a woman wearing a hood and dancing. So dear students, here we have completed our exercise. This exercise you have to do only in your textbook.
Okay, so have a good day and thank you to all.